What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. In this video I will be going over my top 3 momentum indicators. All right, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. So here is my top 3 momentum indicators that I use from time to time to see the momentum of the market on a certain time frame. You can use it on any time frame. You can use all 3 on any time frame. You're using these indicators. This is not, the only way that you can tell which way the market is going. You also can use market structure and other things. You can also use support, resistance, market structure, all of that good stuff, guys. But here is the first one. Let's talk about the RSI. All right, I feel like a lot of people get the RSI confused or just depend on it too heavily, but this is a momentum indicator. All right, so what I like to do and how I use the RSI is when it's super low, all right, at these low levels. Mine in particular is the 16. It's a level 16. As you see, once it hit like these levels, it buys back up. All right, look at this. It hit this level and it matches up perfectly, and it bought all the way back up, all right, to this higher level. All right, my highest level is 85. All right, so on a 4-hour GU still have some buying to do, in my opinion. All right, and what you can also do, like I say, is use this to see your key areas. All right, so I already have it marked up. This is a strong support right here. All right, strong support bouncing off the 4-hour. We're going to remove the drawings. All right, so this right here is the support. As you can see right here, is bouncing off the 50. All right, bouncing off the 50 on the RSI. So what did that tell you? That it still has some buying room on a higher time frame. If you go down to the 15-minute, we still above the 50 as well. Let's see how did this match up. All right, so it was once up here at 67. This is not the highest that for me, like I say, mine is like 86, but it was pretty high right here. And as you see, it dropped. It's showing you the momentum of the sell. It sold. All right, this showed you the momentum for the buy right here. All right, because it bought. So that's the RSI. All right, me personally, I only like to look at the 50. All right, the 50 level. If it's above the 50, I'm looking for buy momentums. If it's below the 50, I'm looking for sell momentums. All right, and when it's super high up here, I'm looking for it to either pull back or come all the way back down to the lowest level. All right, and when it's at the lowest level, look at this. When it's at the lowest level, we're looking for it to buy, just like it did here. But this is, you can't just depend directly on the RSI. It's a good tool to use though, like I say, for just more momentum. But sometimes you may see the RSI be at a super high level and it still keep going. All right, that's mainly gonna happen on like the smaller time frames, like the 5-minute, the 1 minute. Like here, you see it's up here super duper high. On the RSI, it looks like it came down a little bit, but it really didn't, because if you bought it, it's still buying. All right, it's still buying. All right, so on the lower time frame, it's kind of hard to use, but when you go up to like the 4-hour and the daily, it really matches up more clear. Like right here, bought. All right, right here, sold. You feel me? And once you learn how to catch it the right way, then this indicator can be very helpful to you. So let's go to the next one. All right, let's go to the next one. We're gonna delete this one. So the next one we're gonna talk about is the stochastics. It's kind of the same thing as the RSI, same concept. When it's high up here, All right, looking for it to come back down to these levels. It was high up here, came back down to these levels. All right, let's go to the 15 so you can see it, how it move. All right, with current time, look at this stochastics. To me, out of all of them, this is the one I use the most. Like I said, with the RSI, I only just look at the 50 level, but with the stochastics, it's really accurate. All right, it's way more accurate. Of course, you can have your own settings to them. All right, so look at here, you got two lines here. All right, one is like your lead line, and the other one is the one that follows behind it. Once the first one crosses over the second color, depending on however you have it, like mine is blue, all right, for my bullish, and red for my bearish. So once my blue crosses down, all right, over the red, I'm looking for sales. All right, as you see, it came all the way down. We got this right here, matches up perfectly, letting we know it bounced off this level. We're looking to buy. All right, so it bought all the way up to this level. All right, all the way up to this level. We got another little drop, all right, right here, and it bought up again, which is this big blue, this big counter right here. We got another little drop, which is this right here. We got this which is this right here. Okay, we got this little drop, which is this right here. And so what we're looking for this to do is either buy back up to this level right here. I think it has a little bit more room to buy up to this level or to this level and then sell. All right, but it's just a 15-minute time frame. Now, how can you get confused with using these indicators? All right, because on the higher time frame, as you can see, we still got some more buying to do. All right, some more buying to do. But on the lower time frame, it looks like we have some selling to do. So in order to catch the right entries, you have to wait till these both are lined up with the higher time frame. Lower time frame matches up with the higher time frame. So you wait until the 15-minute time frame. That's where I like to enter, the 15-minute. But if you wait until it comes back down to a low level to place your buy instead of popping your buy while it's already high, then you can avoid a lot of drawdown. You feel me? You have to be patient when it comes to trading. All right, so this is the second one. It's the stochastics. It's basically the same thing. Like I say, high levels sell, low levels buy. It's the same thing. Look at that, guys. Sold, bought, came all the way up here. That's what this is right here. All right, that's this move right here. This move right here is this move right here. Now when it got all the way up to that high level right here, drop. You feel me? So that's the second one, guys. That's the second one. That's the stochastics. All right, now the third one that I want to talk about is the MACD. All right, the MACD is also a momentum indicator that you can use, all right, to enter and exit your trades, whether you want to scalp or use this, like I say, on higher time frames as well. But with the MACD, the reason why I like the MACD, for psychology reasons, it gives you like dots. This is a red dot letting me know to look for sales. Look at this, match up perfectly. All right, green dot to let me know look for buys. Boom, matches up perfectly. All right, let's go look and see some more examples right here. Red dot. All right, boom, matches up perfectly with the MACD, and then let me know to get out and place a buy. All right, once you place your buy, look at that, you can hold this buy all the way till you get a red dot, which was right here. All right, let's go up to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hours showing a buy. Look at that. All right, buy right here on the 4 hour. Once you bought right here, you see that green dot matches up with this entry right here all the way up. Look at that, you can hold this entry, boom, until it turned red. Why? Because you got a pullback. Came down, got another buy entry, But when they're close like this, you want to stay away from them. But guys, like I say, all of them works the same. When it's super high, all right, at a level point, you're gonna look for sales. Look at this, drop, sell, gave you a red dot right here, sold, green dot right here, bought, you feel me, red dot right here, sold. So you can use these, all three of them, the same exact way. You just have to understand that each time frame is going to be different, and this can also help you match up. All right, like I say, if the 4-hour time frame is showing a buy and then the 15-minute time frame is showing a sell, of course you can scalp that sell on the 15-minute time frame until it reaches the level that it wants to reach on that lower time frame, so you can enter your buy for the higher time frame. You get what I'm saying? So these are my top 3 momentum indicators. All right, and you can just go right here to your indicators and strategies, just FX, and type in every indicator that I just showed you. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, out.